Alright, so I just completed the level now. As you can see, I am in the Falco Maxim CentCon. I'm standing right there without no issues whatsoever. So, like I said, you need to do that level that I mentioned. It should take you no longer than 10 minutes. You just need to go through, follow the pipes, blow up some kind of generator, and you should do it within like 7 or 8 minutes. Normally, when you're in Falco, let me show you the main part. It's hard to do this with one hand, but basically you see this tower here. Right at the top there's a big gun that shoots off the Bavarium, and normally it will shoot down straight away as soon as you land in the territory, which is right there. Then it will automatically go off, right? But since doing that level, which I mentioned in the other video, perfectly fine, no explosions. So once again, do all the missions. It should take you maybe a week or two for that mission to show up. But yeah, that's the best way to do it. Anyway, peace.